The biggest estate tax trap that I see, really there's three traps that families fall into. The first is the court trap. 95% of Americans are going to go through probate, even though they think they've planned to avoid it. And probate is costly. Probate is public. It takes time, sometimes over a year. The second trap is one that most people don't know about. A lot of people are aware of the death tax. That's what they're concerned about. The reality is it's only going to affect less than 1% of Americans. The real tax I'm concerned about for my clients, that trap is the widow tax. And it's a tax no one's heard of, no one's planned for. Very few people have done anything about it. But it's going to affect about 80% of Americans. And the unfortunate thing is it's completely avoidable, and no one's avoiding it. The third trap I see with families when it comes to estate planning, and I've met with families from all over the country. I've reviewed hundreds of plans. And what I see is most families are planning for lost inheritance. So they think they're leaving the wealth to the children, but actually a lot of that wealth is going to end up in the hands of divorcing spouses, creditors, and sometimes because of double taxation and overtaxation, that's going to end up in the hands of the IRS rather than their loved ones. So these are really three predictable and preventable traps that people aren't properly planning for. And these are three things that are preventable, they're predictable, but unfortunately no one's planning to do that. And that's why we exist. We want to help people plan for their families, protect their assets, and preserve their wealth and their legacy for generations.